I look at software development as creating an overall work plan and filling out all the details, which may take days, weeks, months, or even years to complete. In my view, a successful software development entails deciding and specifying what to produce or work products, finding ways to produce them, and creating all the details. Work product in Express.js, backend web app development and deployment. One or more open API document files for my specific work product. This is how I develop Express backend web app, not something that is like recommended by Express development team or anyone else. It's my specific way of developing Express backend web apps. So work product, one or more open API document files for specifying the backend REST API with route or endpoint and operations. .env.development and .env.production files for specifying the development and production backend settings that will be used in the program. One or more Express.js backend JavaScript source code files, one or more .ejs files for backend server-side HTML file rendering and delivery, 0 or more front-end .js files for backend server-side rendered and delivered HTML files. For examples, refer to Alan Young's stock market demo at github.com/alanyoungdev/stockmarket. Alan Young's Express backend web app development process spec. Stage 1. Design and specify the backend REST API with route or endpoint and operations as a set of one or more open API document files. Stage 2. Design and specify the backend REST API operation algorithms in the design document. Stage 3. Create the .env .development and .env.production files, create the Express.js backend JavaScript source code files, create the .ejs files. Then stage 6, create the front-end .js files. After those, produce and execute the Express.js backend web app test code in a separate work process. Concerns, issues, and techniques in Express.js app development. Express.js is a relatively very simple software framework to learn and use. So there isn't like a overt complexity in some other software development, web app software development frameworks such as Angular. So it's very simple. It's very fast and simple to learn Express and use it. It's quite a delight and fun and excitement to use Express as a software backend web app software development framework. So the concerns and issues and techniques in using Express, in my view, are minimal compared to more complex and lengthy software development frameworks. So when developing an Express app, refer to the documentation at express.js.com for the official instructions on using Express.js, and you can refer to Alan Young's Stock Market Developers Journal.pdf at github.com/alanyoungdev/stockmarket for specific concerns, issues, and techniques in actually using Express.js in production code. A lot of fun stuff.